Maggie! Maggie! Maggie!
For local vegetarians
Maggie!
and meat lovers alike, the
Maggie!
is as much a part of the culture of Southern California
Maggie!
as the laid-back lifestyle.
Maggie!
We are the
Yeah,
oldest
take a little something, but I don't really think you need to cook.
and we are a landmark in the city of Pomona.
Maggie!
Terry, how's your burger? Really
Maggie!
The beans are excellent.
So, Krista,
Good. You're from Brazil.
Yeah.
So you know.
Maggie!
something
I
about
just
you.
love it because it's
You're gonna hang out
local to me.
with us
People,
today.
whenever they come and visit me from out of town,
I'm videoing this. Do you want to watch it on camera?
It's a great little community. It's really tight knit. When we first opened up, it was a little sleepy little town.
Maggie!
Now it's a vacation destination.
When Tanya bought
Krista's driving the train.
burger hadn't been invented yet.
Maggie!
In 1982, she added the meat-free sandwich to her menu. But the perfect
Maggie.
burger didn't happen overnight.
I didn't want to do pretend meat. We couldn't find a veggie burger that we could buy on the
Maggie.
counter that was up to our standards. So we started working on this recipe that's made from
Maggie.
all natural.
There she is. There's Maggie.
We make it
Where's
from
Maggie?
beans, rice,
There she is.
seeds.
The beans and rice are cooked.
Say bye, Maggie.